Hey, so if you've ever thought about building a website or even just wondered how the internet really works, I'm about to let you in on a little secret. It all starts with HTML. Now, HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. Don't let the fancy name scare you. Think of HTML as the skeleton of every single website you've ever visited. Picture this. You open a web browser, type in a web address, and boom, a website pops up. Underneath all those colors, images, and cool buttons, HTML is quietly working behind the scenes, making sure everything is in the right place. So, what exactly does HTML do? Basically, it tells your browser what's what, like, hey, this is a heading, or here's a paragraph, or even, that's a picture. It's a set of simple instructions wrapped in little angle brackets that says, this is a web page, make sure it looks right. Now here's why HTML is absolutely essential for web development. Without it, there's nothing to build on. It's like the walls and frame of a house. Sure, you can decorate it with paint and furniture, think CSS and JavaScript, but without those walls, nothing else matters. Let's break it down. Want to make your own blog? Start with HTML. Dreaming of launching an online store? HTML's got your back. Even the world's biggest websites like YouTube or Amazon all have HTML at their core. And the cool part? HTML is super beginner friendly. You don't need any fancy software or expensive tools to get started. All you need is a simple text editor, something like Notepad or TextEdit, and a web browser. Type some code, save it as an HTML file, open it, and there's your first web page. Learning HTML is like learning how to read the web's native language. Once you get the basics down, you'll start to see patterns everywhere. You'll recognize headers, lists, links, images, all built with HTML, and as you learn more, you'll unlock the power to create anything you can imagine online. So if you're just starting out, don't skip HTML. Mastering it will give you a solid foundation for everything else you want to learn in web development. It's your first step towards building something awesome online. All right, that's it for today. HTML simple, powerful, and totally essential for anyone who wants to build the web. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.